Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to do the installation of extra codec packs and fonts in Ubuntu using a terminal. So you have to open your terminal in Ubuntu system. Then you have to first add the multiverse repository. So once this multiverse repository is added using this command, it will get automatically enabled for all the sources. Then you have to run the sudo update command, sudo apt update command. So this will update the repositories on your system and it will show some packages. If some updates are available, then the packages will be shown on the screen. You have to do the update first. Once the update is done, you have to use the sudo apt install ubuntu-restricted-extras. So this will install all the extra codec packs and fonts on your system. So it is very automated system. You have to just confirm the changes to the system. You can see here. So these are the following packages that will be added. Then there is some suggested packages, some recommended packages. So you have to just let it confirm yes and let the system do all the work by itself. And at the end you can see it here. It will install many different codec packs and fonts. So the MS fonts also will be installed using this. So let me show you. If MS font I can see, it will install the MS fonts also. So Microsoft or Windows fonts also will get installed. The different video graphics this drivers and all those things will be installed. Then the extra codec packs, audio video codec packs, those also will be installed. You can see here the Mesa VD, that is the video acceleration driver for the Linux, they are getting installed. So lot many things are going to get installed. Some extra proprietary drivers are also getting installed. For example, you can see it here, the Intel media driver is there for 64-bit systems. You can see here the TTF MS core fonts installer. So you can see here, so MS fonts also will get installed. Here you can see all the different fonts that are going to get installed from the Microsoft. So here you can easily see there. That's it. So lot many fonts from Windows are going to get installed. And once the installation is finished, it is best thing to reboot your system. So the changes are get applied to the system. So on this note, I will stop the video here. See you in the next video with some more technicalities of Linux. Bye bye.